Now, here's Mario and the chef with Sunday Brunch.
All right, we are sweet and summery on the table. Our favorite chef, Frank Terranova, Classic Cooking, is here with.
How are you?
Good.
I love strawberry recipes. And actually, we did one before. Now, they're picking started.
Yep.
All right, so get out there and get these things, get them quick because they're going to disappear.
Right.
Pretty decent crop this year. All right, this is going to be a strawberry rum mascarpone icebox cake.
Ooh.
Very, very simple. Look at the ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, we have some strawberries. I've got some orange zest and a little bit of, come on, son, granulated sugar and a little bit of rum. That's a drop. It's only about a tablespoon. Now, if you're making it, if the kid's going to have it, just back it. You don't have to bother doing it. All right, now, mascarpone and a little bit of powdered sugar. We mix it. Now we have some whipped heavy cream. This is, you know, eat this, you walk around the block a few times. Everything is fine. Now, once this is done, actually, what we're talking about with the whipped cream, people use sugar. Powdered sugar is probably a little better to use because there's about 8% cornstarch in it, and that will stabilize it. Okay, so now once this is incorporated, it's not a big deal. You're going to just get a 9x9 dish or pan or casserole or whatever, and then just spread it in. Now, this is going to lay the puzzle. Graham crackers. What's nice about these, they shingle in very, very easily. Another layer of cream. Just spread it on top, and then, all right, and these strawberries are all laced with a little bit of alcohol if we need them, and then
Another layer
of these, the graham crackers, and then we're going to finish up with some more heavy cream, and we're good. Covered, refrigerated for at least 3 or 4 hours because you want the moisture from the cream and all the berries to soften the crackers.
Oh, my God.
Mari, this is, you know,
this is yummy.
the old adage, keep it simple. It really is delicious. This time I'll put the berries on top of these.
What is so good? What do we call it?
Actually, this is, I got to get this right. All right, strawberry mascarpone rum icebox cake.
Recipes on our website.
Turn10.com.
See you next week.
It will be here.